Welcome to my first how-to tutorial on just Gulden. Today I'll be explaining where to download the latest version of the desktop wallet, the importance of saving your 12-word passphrase, and why the synchronization process will take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple of hours to complete the first time you run the wallet. Let's begin. First, go to the Gulden homepage. I'm sure you know it by now, but let me just repeat: https://gulden.com, and then just click on any of the two download links available. You'll see when you get to the download link, there's an important notice. Take the time to read through it, but to summarize, as the late Eleanor Roosevelt said, and I quote, "With freedom comes responsibility, and in the case of Gulden, your financial freedom you're responsible for." But don't let me scare you off, because while Gulden is like cash in a digital form, if you lose your cash, you don't get it back. But with Gulden, you can restore it all back with a 12-word passphrase or a physical backup, which I'll explain later on. So let's move on to downloading the desktop wallet. You have three options: macOS, Windows, and two versions of Linux. Since I am using Windows 10, I'll be downloading the Windows version. So just click on the icon for your operating system to start the download. The download is pretty small, 23.7 megs. So it'll be fairly quick to download on most connections. Just click on the file to begin the installation process. Norton has picked it up and it's safe. That's good. If you get Microsoft Defender Smart Screen come up, just click on more info and run anyway. Just click yes to begin. Next, I'm just taking the default destination folder and install. Okay, installs quick. Next, I'm going to run it straight away. Since this tutorial is aimed at new users, I'll be clicking on New Wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most important screen on any Gulden wallet you install, the one that reveals your recovery phrase. If you're a new user and planning to install the wallet, I recommend pausing this video. Go download and install the wallet. Get to this screen and write down your recovery phrase. I can't stress how important it is that you do this. I have a short video clip coming up that demonstrates what happens to your Gulden if you haven't written down your recovery phrase, and something should happen to the hardware your wallet is installed on. Now that I've explained the importance of saving your recovery phrase, and I trust you have too, to continue, you will need to click on the box next to the text on the right bottom corner. I wrote it down, and click Create Wallet to begin the synchronization part of the install. Before you start playing around in the Gulden wallet, I recommend you wait for the synchronization process to complete. You can monitor this bar here to determine how far into the synchronization process you are. As I mentioned at the start of the video, it's only on your first run, or if you haven't started up your wallet for an extended period of time, that the synchronization part will take a while. The reason this part can take up to a couple of hours is because you are downloading the entire Gulden blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that contains every block and transaction within, and is constantly growing. On average, every 2.5 minutes a block is discovered. The major factors determining how long the synchronization will take place for you is your CPU and, to a lesser degree, your internet connection. The better both are, the faster the synchronization will take place. My personal PC is slightly above mid-range, and I will be timing how long it will take me for the purpose of this tutorial and to feed back to you at the end. I will now speed up the video. It took 53 minutes with my setup to completely download the Gulden blockchain. However, the duration will be different for everyone, so don't panic if it takes a little longer than expected. Once the sync is complete, you are ready to start using your Gulden wallet. Congratulations on getting this far and becoming part of the Gulden blockchain. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial. Please subscribe and share this video because this is the only way the message gets out there.